Welcome, I'm Joanne, and I'm here to show you how to use the shortcut key for Filter in Excel. This video tutorial will walk you through the steps you need to take to make the most out of this useful feature. So, let's get started. Before you can use the filter function in a data table, make sure to select the column headers of the columns where you intend to sort data. To begin, we will be selecting the headers month, days, and season. After that, we can utilize the shortcut key combination of Ctrl, Shift, and L to quickly complete the task. That is all that is required to complete the task. When you open the page, you'll notice small arrow-shaped buttons at the top of the page. These allow you to easily sort and filter the data on the page. If you would like to remove the filter, simply press the shortcut key combination of Ctrl, Shift, and L. This will instantly remove the filter. For further tips on helpful Excel shortcuts, we recommend watching additional video tutorials created by Sheet Leveler. You can find the links to the tutorials in the description below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please show your support by giving us a like and take a look at our other tutorials by Sheet Leveler. If you are interested in learning Excel quickly and easily, then you should join Sheet Leveler's online community. Just click the subscribe button to become a part of our group and learn Excel like a boss. We look forward to having you on board. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.